Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1964 Chevy Corvette. It does come with two tops, the hard top that you see on it, and it does have a soft top as well, obviously. Very special car here. It's a 327, 250 horse, 3-speed. So it makes it a rare combination. In 1964, there was only 711 built with this spec. Being the 250 horse and 3-speed gearbox. So rare configuration for this 64 Corvette. But before we get too deep into this 64, I'll tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida, on the corner of Televast and 301, just north of University. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. About 80% of those cars are domestic, classic cars. The other 20% are luxury, exotic, and or European. We also do offer full frame-off restorations. We do also do some other services. Please give us a call or visit our website to see all the services that we do provide in our restoration shop. But back to this beautiful 64 Corvette. And again, it is in red, Riverside red. The paint is original lacquer, about 90% of it. It does look like a couple spots might have been touched up, but it does have mostly original lacquer paint. It is matching numbers. Very nice vehicle here, well kept, preserved Corvette. You'll see it does have the correct ignition shielding, it does have the correct air cleaner, and it has, I know it's hard to see here, but look at the pictures online, it does have the correct radiator and overflow bottle that is marked as well. You can see a little bit better here. We do have better pictures online on the website, which is Classic Cars of Sarasota. If you do have other questions, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, and then we can answer those questions for you as well. If you're not in Florida and you are interested, please don't worry, as last year we shipped cars to 19 U.S. states and over 7 countries worldwide: Budapest, Hungary, New Zealand, Spain, Australia, Germany, Netherlands, Seoul, South Korea. So we can certainly get this vehicle anywhere in the world. Give us a call, 941-355-1955, and we can handle your shipping needs wherever you may be. If you would like to finance or need to finance a vehicle, we can handle your finance needs as well. Visit the website at Classic Cars of Sarasota. We do have a finance tab there. You can fill out the application. We do work with 2 or 3 classic car lenders, and we also have some late model lenders as well as we look at this 64 Corvette. If I'm going too fast with the camera, please visit the website. We have over 75 pictures of the vehicle on the website. It is on the lift as well. You'll see the underside of it as we walk around this vehicle. Again, in the original lacquer paint, shows well. Interior is black vinyl. The seats have been redone along with the armrest in the middle console. So again, interior is in very good condition. Very nice car, as I mentioned, 3-speed. Go ahead and get this fired up for you. Make sure the battery's connected here. We always want to make sure we the battery's disconnected when they're stored inside in the facility. It is a cold start. Hit the 639 Roadrunner next to us, which is a 1 of 1. Grab the keys here. Make sure we have the right one. Make sure we're on neutral. So here it starts right up. Great running vehicle. AM, FM radio. Let's see. Just over 79,000 on the odometer. This vehicle has been in the same family since 1965. It is believed to be a 2-owner vehicle, but as I mentioned, the same family since 65. So just a beautiful 64 Corvette for the purist. You will see, if you know the trick, count 13. See the little dimple that came from the manufacturer. So again, believed to be the original nose on this vehicle as well. Just a great example of a 64 Corvette. It does have manual brakes, manual steering to keep that originality. Rev it up just a little bit. Engine sounds great. So here, we'll go back and see the exhaust. Great little running vehicle here. Again, as I mentioned, mostly original lacquer paint, very well preserved 1964 Corvette. If you have any interest, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at Classic Cars of Sarasota. Thank you.